So, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see a repetitive, I would say, first time, very beginner error, right? Where we are using the order type for the very first time. Okay, so here I'm taking an example of OR, right, which is pretty standard order from SAP, right, where I'm using sales organization Z108, okay, and ZH and ZH as my distribution channel and division. Okay, so I am choosing my own sales organization and order type is OR. This can be any other order type and any other combination of sales area. Remember this, that this can be applied to any other order type, not only OR. Okay, so when I press enter, the system says the order type is not defined in the so and so sales area, right? If you see the technical uh, name, the message number is V1502. Okay, so we are going to find a solution for this in our video. Okay, so get into SPRO, as this is a consultant issue, I would say, or a configuration issue, right? So get into this path. The path will be already be displayed on the screen. You can pause and get into the screen, or you can follow my video also. First sales and distribution, then sales, right, then sales documents, then sales document header, and then get into the last option, assign sales area to sales document types. Okay, so once you get here, okay, you will be shown four options, which is combined sales organization, combined sales distribution channel, combined divisions, and then assign sales order to sales areas, right? So first option, we have to go every step here, since we are visiting this screen for the very first time. For suppose you have done already these steps for OR and you are trying for some other order type like RO or some other order type, you can directly go into the fourth step. Okay, remember, this four steps should be used only when you're doing it for the very first time. Okay, go into the first option. Here you can position yourself with your sales organization, that is Z108. Okay, so go here, and already you see this is copied from 1000. When I have created Z108 sales organization, it was copied from 1000 sales organization, so it is showing 1000. So I have to remove here 10, what you call 1000, and place 108, which is my sales organization. Just press enter. Okay, system will throw a warning message. Please do not stop here, just press enter once more. Okay, now you can go and save this data. So as soon as you save the data, the system is asking a TR. Go back again, come to the second step, that is distribution channel, combined distribution channel. Here also you can position yourself with directly your sales organization, that is Z108, and your distribution channel ZH. Okay, so it will take you to the same exact position. Here I am giving ZH. Okay, and ZY is also my distribution channel only, so I'm creating this ZY also, I'm giving this ZY also. I press enter right now. Okay, and system says okay, these are good, the descriptions come automatic. Now when I'm going to save this, system will throw an error saying that okay, this is good. Okay, we will see if the system throws an error. Okay, so distribution channel is also saved. We will go back and we'll get into the combined divisions. Okay, here again you need to position yourself where Z108 and ZH. See, again it is ZH and ZY. Okay, so press enter and save. Okay, sometimes, okay, sometimes it's not always this smooth. Sometimes what it might happen, for suppose I'm deleting this and I'm just saving this. Okay, system might throw an error of something like this in your systems. Okay, so this might happen. So what you need to do, there are two possible ways this error can happen in your division part and your distribution channel part. Okay, so here we have two solutions. Okay, either of which will work to you. I'm not saying both will work, it should be either of one. Okay, either of two, right? So first solution goes like whatever division you see here, you just give that the same division. Okay, give 10, give 10 and press enter. System will accept and it will continue further to save the data. Right, data was saved, right? But sometimes what happens, you cannot give the same number. You see z2, the here z2 is not given, it is 10 is given, right? So either we give a number which is same just like 10 10, or here you see yj yj, right? Or we give one more number which is your primary division. So what do you mean by primary division? Like 1000, right? 1000 is your primary sales organization, or 0001 is your primary sales organization, right? Where we copy the data from these two primary sales organizations. So you have to find where, for suppose we remove this tf and we give tf. If system accepts, that's okay, but sometimes it will not accept. Then we have to give number 10. Okay, because 10 is the division that tf was copied from. Okay, 10 is the division that tf was copied from. That you have to know that which, I mean, how this division is created from, which standard division or standard distribution channel. Then you have to give that. So solution 1 is to give the same digits. Solution 2 is to give the standard division or distribution channel, and then save this. Everything is will be smooth, right? You come back now and go to the fourth option, assign sales order types to permitted sales areas. Now this, when you double press this, generally it will take a lot of time, right? Because there are lot of, I would say, very very high number of records which are existing here. Every record is not a good record. I would say there are a lot of many miss records, or redundant data. But there are a lot of records in this transaction, and that why system takes a lot of time to get into that. Okay, we will wait for some time. It almost takes, I guess, about 2 minutes. Since my system is pretty old, we did not do the data deletion for the past 6 to 8 months. The data is still there. Even if the issue is with the other sales orders, you people directly dive into this part. Okay, you need not to go through the last three steps. If you are second time user, or second time you're bringing up some other order, but let's say you have completed your otc with or sales order, you're going with rush orders or cash sales or whatnot, right? If you're doing that, you can always go into the fourth step, just this one. Okay, here is the thing. So first thing, at all, your combination of sales or distribution channel and division is already there. If you want to know more about it, go to position. Okay, just see, whenever you press position or whenever you press anything else, the system will try to post these what you call warning messages. Don't worry about it, just press enter as long as they keep on appearing. Okay, press enter, press enter, press enter. Don't stop anywhere, keep pressing enter on your laptop. Okay, here you can put your z108, the basically the sales area combination, right? ZH and ZH. So once I give this, the system is showing Z108 definitely, but it is not ZH. So some other reference distribution channel and divisions have taken place, and they have some combinations here, but I am not worried about it. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to get my own combination here with a combination of sales vertical type with OR, right? What I need to do, go to new entries here, right? Again, the warning messages are here. Don't worry about it. Press enter, right? Yes, you are into the screen of new entry. Z108 is my reference sales organization. ZH is my reference distribution channel. ZH is again my division, right? Again, or is my reference or sales order type, right? After giving all this, just press enter. The descriptions will appear automatically, right? And then save. Once you save this data, okay, we can go back to the same screen. Okay, there is only one screen, right? So we can go back to the same screen, that is /n va01. Okay, and test the data. Remember, if you have opened this spro in one more tab, okay, let's say you have two sessions of sap where you have this one screen or one session dedicated for sales order creation and one more for spro. Make sure that you press this /n what you call va01. Okay, so while doing, when you do /n, that means the system will refresh, the data will get refreshed. Make sure whatever the configuration changes you try to do, make sure that configuration, after those configuration changes, you have to refresh your own screen wherever you are testing. How you can refresh? Just put a /n before the t code so that the system will get refreshed. Okay, so my system is refreshed now. I have given all my order type and sales areas, and just I'm pressing enter on my laptop. See, the system is taking me inside. So this is how you stop the common error or fix the common error that we see while order creation. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and do share.